Hey, how you doing? This is Mike, Garage Door Mike, Innovative Garage Door. Show you a couple reasons why you want a Hormann garage door versus a competitor garage door. And we got some sections here we're going to be stacking up here. There's the track all pre-put together. We're going to get ready for that. I guess first off we'll say that number one reason, not the number one, but number one reason why you want the Hormann garage door versus a competitor, they have a true 25 gauge front and back. Some of the competitors out there have 26 gauge on one side, 27 on the other. This is 25 gauge. You can also get a 24 gauge, a little bit more money, but that's number one. Number two, we'll show you this. This right here is the top of the bottom section, and underneath you can see it's a larger tongue and groove than the competitor. So that's another reason right there. That's number two, larger tongue and groove. Number three, you got this lip seal that runs all the way down the door, so when this section seats in this one, it completely seals it off. That's even on their hollow pan doors. So we got that on all their doors, even the hollow pan door. This is a 3200. This is a sandwich steel door, 2-inch polystyrene. Number three, another reason you want a Hormann garage door. You got this end cap that seals off the gaps on the side that you see commonly on most other doors. You can see it's on this panel, it's on this panel, it's on that panel, it's on all those panels, okay? There's another reason right there. This will eliminate that gap you get when you look on the side of the door, okay? Here's another reason you want a Hormann garage door versus a competitor. 11 gauge hardware right out of the box, okay? This is 11 gauge, this is commercial grade hardware. So you're gonna see here, we're gonna put a hinge on. I'm gonna show you how many screws are in that thing. Give me some tappers. There we go. Here's our hardware. Thank you, sir. You can see all our hardware is organized here on this job because they're selling the place, so we got a little table there, but we're going to show you. Here, why don't you do this? Alright? I'll film this, how this is going on. Or I'll just film your hands there. We ain't going to get you. But this is 11 gauge hardware. This is how it goes on. Watch. Hormann exclusive right here. Alright, 1, 2, now you got 3, 4, 5 screws on the end hinge. That's total. I mean, you lift the motor off of that basically almost. I mean, roll pin too in the hinge, super sturdy. Since I've been doing this with Hormann about 14 years, 15 years, whatever, I've never seen one of their hinges break except when a door hits the, or excuse me, when a car hits the door. So that's the only time I've ever seen an actual Hormann hinge break. Another reason. Hormann got these German engineered nylon ball wheels. These are better than the competitor. I've had that on some of my other videos. There's a video I have out there on which roller to choose. Another excuse me, another reason you want a Hormann door is check this out. If you look closely at the end of that roller, you can see grease on there. They pre-grease the tube where the roller goes. I mean, how awesome is that? They pre-grease that. No one does that. Here, look at these rollers. See the grease is right on the end of that? I don't know if you can see that. There's grease on there. Here, look. Look at my finger now. There's grease on there. They pre-grease these. I mean, you don't get that with anybody. They don't do the top, so what we'll do is when they use like so much, we'll just take some of the excess from those rollers and we will put it on the top roller Okay, and then here's some more excess right there. So we'll take it off of that roller, and then we'll do the bottoms too. So there's another, that's just a personal reason. Maybe you go with innovative garage door. No one else does that. Now that's all greased, the tops are greased, everything's greased. So these are some other reasons why you would go with a Hormann door versus the competitor. We haven't even got the door rolling yet. That's going to be another video right there. They give you a nice, beefy, 3.5-inch bottom rubber. They got different rubbers to go in there. Real red powder coated screws, not the red ones that fade out and turn a different color in like 6 months to a year later. The springs, high grade springs. Look at that spring, that's a 243 wire. Okay, 32.5. Okay, that's how you know that this is a stronger or a higher gauge steel, a better gauge steel than the competitor. Because a lot of competitors use a 243/34. That's a weaker spring. That's a stronger spring because the metal, once again, is a 25 gauge, true 25. So this door is a flush door. I'll get you another video in a few minutes. But these are some reasons why you'd pick the Hormann over the competitor. And then they also give you two handles. You got a handle that'll go on like this, okay? And then we'll put the step plate on the second section, so you even got to bend over, and you lift it off the side, which you could do with a torsion spring. So this is part one. I don't know how I'm going to dub it yet, but I'm going to dub this video why to choose a Hormann garage door over the competitors. Thanks for watching part one here. And if you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button, drop a like, drop a comment, drop a question. We love to answer your questions to help you out any way we can. And lastly, I'll tell you this too. Another thing I love about the Hormann door, when they get delivered, everything's marked. The door model, the size, the track, the color, the design, the turns, everything. So that's on everything. That's on the section right here. This will be on the spring tag right here, the hardware boxes, and then there's another tag that goes on the track. We took it off already. Actually, I think that was it. Yeah, this goes on the track. So when you're looking for the track in the shop, you just pull the tag and oh yeah, that's where we're going today. So anyway, that's part one. Thanks for watching. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching why you would choose a Hormann garage door part one over the competitor.